Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Use thin object to peel off screw covers. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Then unscrew and disconnect battery. Now disconnect keyboard. Next, use plastic scribe to release and remove keyboard. Now unscrew and remove solid-state drive. Then unscrew and disconnect audio circuit board. Now unscrew and disconnect volume power button circuit board. Now unscrew and disconnect DC jack. Then disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Then disconnect and remove speakers. Next, unscrew and disconnect touchpad. Then unscrew and remove brackets. Now disconnect cables. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Now unscrew and remove brackets. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.